morning to all my dear students. In previous two periods, I have discussed about your geometrical progression, illustrate examples up to 17 examples. And also in previous periods, I discussed about the sum of the series. Now up to we learn about the terms, and now it is the sum of the series. Also I discussed there is the 5 formulas, general formulas. Sn, S means the sum of the n term is equal to A into bracket r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1. Now today I discuss about related sum of the series examples. Your page number 286, illustrate examples number 18. Find the sum of the first 5 terms of GP 5, 15, 45. That is the series. Here it is given 5, 15, 45. Now first terms denoted by A. So A is equal to 5, R is equal to ratio second term divided by first term, या तो third terms divided by second term is equal to 3, and n is equal to, there is the up to 4 terms. Find the sum of the first 5 terms. Sorry, here it is the 5. Now apply the formulas. Sn is equal to A into r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1. Now substitute the values. A is equal to 5, there is the r 3, n is equal to 5 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1. 5 into 3 raised to 5, 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81, 3s are 243. So 3 power 5, 243 minus 1 upon 2. So 5 into 242 upon 2, 1 to 1. So 5 into 121, there is the 5, 12 5s are 60, 605. So sum of the first 5 term, it is the 605. Same example, illustrate examples number 19. Find the sum of the first 6 terms of the GP. Now there is the series. Here it is given 8, 4, 2 and so on. So what is the A is equal to 8. There is the R is equal to second term divided by first term, means the 1 upon 2, and N is equal to 6. And we want to find out the Sn is equal to A into r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1. A is given 8. There is the r is given 1 upon 2 raised to, there is the 6 terms. Sum of the first 6 terms. So 1 by 2 raised to 6 minus 1 upon 1 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 8 into, there is the 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32, 2s are 64. 2 power form. So 64 minus 1 upon, there is the 1 1s are 1 minus 2 upon 2 is equal to 8 into, there is the 1 minus 1 into 64 upon 64 divided by minus 1 by 2 is equal to 8 into 1 minus 64. So, minus 63. Now, is equal to 8 into, there is the minus 63 upon 64 divided by minus 1 upon 2. Now divided, convert into multiplied. So minus 63 upon 64 multiplied by divided, convert into multiplied. So minus 2 upon 1. So 2 ones are and 2 32s are is equal to 8 into minus 63 upon 32. There is the 4 2s are and 8s are. Sorry, 8 4s are 32. Directly we can cancel it. So minus 63 upon 4. Minus minus plus, sorry, minus minus, here it is the minus, it is the minus, so it is the plus, so plus 63 upon 4. Next examples, find the sum of the first 4 terms of the GP. What is the n is equal to in these examples given? 4. Find the sum of the first 4 terms of the GP whose first term is 3 and common ratio is 2. So, first terms is 3 means the in these examples A is given 3, A is equal to given 3 and common ratio denoted by R is 2 and n is equal to, there is the sum of the first 4 terms. So, n is equal to 4. Apply the formulas. Sn is equal to A r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1 is equal to, A is given 3, 2, what is the n is equal to given? 4. S4 we want to find, raised to 4 minus 1 upon, there is the 2 minus 1 is equal to 3 into 2 raised to 4, 2, 4, 8, 16, 16 minus 1 upon 1 is equal to 3 into 15, 15 3s are 45. So, 4th term here it is the 45. Now, your illustrate examples number 21. Sum of the first 3 terms of a GP with common ratio 0.2 is 0.496. Find the first term of the GP. Now, sum of the first 3 terms, what is the values here it is given? Sum of the first 3 terms is equal to 0.496. Common ratio R here it is given 0.2 and there is the A first terms we want to find. Apply the formulas. Sn is equal to A into r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1. Here Sn means the S3 values given 0.496 is equal to A, we want to find r 0.2, there is the n is equal to 3. Here n is equal to 3. So, raised to 3 minus 1 upon 0.2 minus 1. Now, therefore, 0.496 is equal to A into, there is the 2 cube, 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, and there is the 1 decimal point, so it is the 1 into 3, so 1 2 3.0, so 0.2 cube, it is the 0.08 minus 1 upon 0.2 minus 1, so there is the 1.0 minus 0.2, so it is the 10, so it is the 8, and there is the 0.98, there is the minus 0.8. So here there is the 0 minus 0.8. Now, therefore, minus 0.496 is equal to A into, there is the 1.000 minus 0.008, so there is the 2980. So answer here it is the minus 0.892 upon minus 0.8 minus 0.8. 0.8, there is the 9, and sorry, here it is the 992, there is the 992. Now simplify. Therefore, 0.496 divided takes the another sides, so it is the minus 0.8, it becomes the multiplied, and multiplied becomes the divided, minus 0.992 is equal to A. Now, how to simplify easily? So there is a 3 decimal point, and here it is a 3 decimal point. Cancel out 496 multiplied by minus 0.8 upon, there is the 992. There is the 3 decimal points in numerators and 3 decimal points in denominator, so cancel out. Now 496 2s are, and there is the 2, there is the 0.4, and there is the minus minus plus, there is the minus and minus minus plus, so A is equal to 0.4. Now illustrate examples number 22. Sum of how many terms of the GP is 1500. Here in previous examples there is the A. Find. Now in these examples there is the N we want to find out. There is the GP series in the GP, here it is given, and also the last terms here it is also a given. So here first write down the series 800, there is the 400, there is the 200 up to 1500. Now what is the A is equal to 800, R common ratio, second term divided by first term means 1 upon 2. There is the N that actually we want to find, and Sn values given 1500. Sn values here it is given 1500. Apply the formulas. Sn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1. Apply all the values. Sn is equal to 1500 is equal to A is equal to 800, R there is the 1 by 2 raised to n we want to find minus 1 upon there is the 1 by 2 minus 1. Therefore, 1500 is equal to 800 into 1 upon 2 raised to n minus 1, there is the half minus 1, so minus 1 by 2. Now, there is the, therefore, 1500 divided takes the another side. So, minus 1 upon 2 divided by 800 is equal to 1 by 2 raised to n minus 1. Now, simplification, there is the 0, 0 cancel. Therefore, $1,500 multiplied by minus 1 upon 8 into there is the 2 is equal to half into raised to n minus 1. Now, give the simplification. Minus 15 upon 16 minus 1 takes another side plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 raised to n. Therefore, there is the cross multiplication, minus 15 plus 16 upon 16 is equal to 1 by 2 raised to n. Therefore, 1 minus 15 plus 16, so 1 upon 16 is equal to 1 by 2 raised to n. Now, write down into 2 power form, so 1 upon 2, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, so 1 by 2 raised to 4 is equal to 1 by 2 raised to n, and base equals, what is the base here? 1 by 2. So, there is the index, means the powers are equal. So, here base equal 1 by 2 on both the side. So, we can compare. Therefore, the 4 is equal to n. Therefore, n is equal to 4. N is equal to 4. So, sum of the first 4 terms of the GP is 1500. Here n we want to find. In previous examples A. Now, next illustrate examples number 23. In a GP, the first terms is 27, means the A is given 27. Sum of the first 3 terms is 189. Find the common ratio. Here in illustrate number 21, A find, 22, there is the n, and now in illustrate number 23, there is the R we want to find out. Now, first write down what is the given. The first terms is 27, means A is given 27, and sum of the first 3 terms is 189. And we want to find out the R. Now apply the formulas. Sn is equal to A r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1. What is the here? N is equal to 3. So what is the S3 here values given? Therefore 189 is equal to 27 into r we want to find raised to n. N is equal to, there is the 3 given, there is the first 3 terms, minus 1 upon, there is the r minus 1. Therefore now 189 divided takes another side, so it becomes the multiplied r minus 1 upon, there is the multiplied, so here it is the 27, so it becomes the divided 27 is equal to r cube minus 1. Now there is the simplification. 7 9 3s are 27, 9 2s are 18 and 1, and there is the 7s are. So therefore there is the 7 into r minus 1 is equal to r cube minus 1. Now a cube minus b cube formulas in smaller classes we learn about it. A cube minus b cube. So a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Apply the formulas. R cube minus 1. So here cube root of the first term, so here it is the r minus cube root of the 1, so it is the 1 into, there is the a square minus b square, so there is the r square, opposite sign minus, so plus, multiplication r into 1 means the r, plus 1 square 1, r minus 1 cancel on the both the side. Therefore 7 is equal to r square plus r plus 1. Therefore r square plus r plus 1, 7 takes another side, minus 7 is equal to 0. Therefore r square plus r plus 1 minus 7 minus 6 is equal to 0. Now there is the splitting the middle terms, x square plus x minus 6. So here it is the x, it is the r, here it is given. Minus 6 factors, 2 parts, whose differences is the middle terms. Here there is the r means the 1 into r. What is the r means the 1. So there is the minus factors of the 6 factors, you know very well. There is the 6 1s are 6, 3 2s are 6. So it is the 3 multiplied by 2. Now there is the middle term, here it is plus, so put the plus, and here it is the minus. Plus 3 multiplied by minus 2, so it is the minus 6, and there is the minus plus 3 minus 2, so here it is the plus 1. That is actually middle terms. Therefore there is the, directly write down the factors, r plus 3 r minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore r plus 3 is equal to 0, r minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore r is equal to minus 3 and r is equal to 2. R is equal to minus 3 and r is equal to minus 2. So common ratio of the third terms of the GP is minus 3 and 2. Now एक ले नाखो चलो. First terms and the sum of the first 5 terms of the GP are equal to 1 each. Find the common ratio. Same examples of illustrate number 23. Find out the ratio, and in these examples also there is the ratio. Now there is the, what is the A is equal to 1, and sum of the first 5 terms is also a 1, here it is given. So illustrate number 24, A is given 1, S5 is also a given 1, and find out the common ratio, R is equal to dash. Now apply the formulas. Sn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1 upon R minus 1. So Sn is equal to A R raised to n minus 1 upon R minus 1. S5, what is the S5 here? It is given 1 is equal to, A is also a 1 into R, we want to find raised to 5 minus 1 upon R minus 1. Now there is the, takes the another side, 1 into R minus 1, 1 is equal to R raised to 5 minus 1. Therefore, R minus 1 is equal to R raised to 5 minus 1. Therefore, the here cancel out, there is the minus 1 cancel out on the both the side. Therefore, R is equal to R raised to 5. Therefore, the 1 cancel, 1 is equal to R raised to R cancel on both the side. Therefore, R is equal to, there is the fourth root, here it is the plus minus 1, it is the plus minus 1. So here I have complete up to illustrate examples number 24, only one base formulas, and in next periods I start with the remaining illustrate examples. Thank you.